when I witnessed that.
Wasn't I just nice to you before and said you could go to your house?
What sort of gun is that?
I do. We've had enough of this as much as you do, Chad. Just go home. Alright? Otherwise,
If you've had enough of much as us, why are you still enforcing it, boys?
You have to.
No, you don't have to.
This is what. Listen, we're not here to argue with you, unless go home. Otherwise, they start issuing tickets.
Bro.
We don't want to do it, but we will do it. Right?
Well, if you don't want to do it, don't
Head
do it. Stand up for what you believe in rather than
please,
paycheck.
just
Get
go
home.
home, alright? We get paid to do this, mate. I'm just as over this fucking protest as you are. By protest, I mean lockdown, alright?
Fair enough,
Unfortunately,
man, fair enough.
I got to do what I got to do. And
You
that's why I'm
don't
here
have
trying
to
to
do
talk
that.
to you.
You don't have to do that. You're choosing to do it for
I'm not
paycheck.
skilled to do anything else, mate. So unfortunately,
Mate,
at this time of my life,
Wait,
that's what I have
and,
to
and
do.
the people of us that aren't skilled, we don't get paid. We're not getting food at the moment.
I hear you, mate. My wife's in the same position. She's out of a job at the moment as well. I understand you're being pissed off about it, but there's a way to go about it. That's all. And unfortunately,
I feel
punching on with coppers isn't it, mate?
I respect that. And
Yeah.
what I feel like it's like an animal's backed into a corner. We don't want anything. We don't want to attack. We don't want any of this. But
You
keep
might not,
pushing
mate.
us.
You might not.
You keep pushing us, and that's where we're all at. We don't want to do this, but we're having to do this because we cannot see our families. People are killing themselves. None of this has to do with health. What health has to do with is exercise, fruit in the sun, not injections. Okay? Mental health affects physical health. You're locking us indoors. People are killing themselves. It's not to do with
I
health.
don't have time to get in a debate about it.
I know, because you need a paycheck. It doesn't matter what I say, because you're getting paid at the end of the day and you've got guns.
Look, at the end of the day, I agree with you.
Then why are you standing on this side and not with us?
Because that's what I get paid to do.
So you agree with me, but you get paid to do that, so you stand on that
Which is
side.
why I'm trying to talk to you the way I'm talking to you, as opposed
Exactly,
to
because it's
yelling
not
at
you're
you.
doing what you're getting paid to do, not what you stand in, and that's why I disrespect you.
That's fine, and I'm still asking you to go home, please.
Yeah, get your paycheck so you and your wife can eat. We won't, but you can eat. So
Bro, we're not going home. We're just walking.
I know. Hey, we're not going home. We're not listening to your orders anymore.
I'm just letting you know, we come back again, you're all going to be arrested.
There you go. That's fine, mate.
What that same police officer said to me.
We don't. If you can't tell, we're not afraid anymore.